Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $1992.08. Okay, and if you have seen that gold is quite volatile. Okay, it has already made a high of around $2009. After that there is $2009 at this particular level, and from there is a continuous downfall. Overall trend is upside. As you can see, after the war situation we have seen there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold, because people are shifting towards gold and silver. Okay, this is the pattern since we are looking for around 15-20 or 1 month. Now if we go beyond, what you can see a similar pattern is yearly, and from around 10-20 years it is creating the same pattern. Okay, if you look at this pattern, this is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, this particular pattern, and this particular pattern is an 2-year pattern, and this is an 8-month pattern. Similar patterns are forming, U pattern, after that downfall, and then a rise happens. This is what is happening here. Okay, so now if you look at continuously and check, and if this goes upside, then there is a higher chances that it can go higher, and a probability of crossing a level of 2050 is there, and if it moves above that level, a further upside we can see. Okay, and once started going above this level, a further high we can see, and then it will cross this particular zone. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a higher chances that it can cross a level of around $2003, and after that it will go and cross a level of around $2016. Okay, keep that in mind, because there is a continuous upside we have seen, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining, it will go towards 1996, and from there it will cross a level of around $2003, which is already being a weak resistance, and it will go towards a level of 2010, and then to a level of 2016. Once started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2031, and then there is a higher chances that it will go further upside, and then there is a probability it will go towards a level of around $2047, which is already being tested. So chances are high it will go further upside. Keep that in mind, $2031. Once the price started sustaining above a level of 2031, it will cross a level of around $2047, and from there it will go towards a level of 2081, and then a further upside we can see in the price of gold. Okay, and once started going above that level, a further high we can see. This is the second thing you have to understand. And now you have to understand overall trend is higher side, so we can see a good upside. Okay, but as soon as it is going upside, it is creating a lot of volatility. So always try to remember, when there is good amount of volatility, to reduce the quantity to half, increase your target as well SL by twice. Okay, this will help you save your capital by putting SL, and by trailing SL it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is uncertain, you have to understand that market is uncertain. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go further down towards a level of around $1983 if the price didn't sustain this level, because there is a higher chances that it will go towards its next support, that is coming at a level of 1983, and once started going below that particular level, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $1975, and if that level goes further down, then there is a higher chances it will go further low towards a level of around 1964, and from there a probability of going towards 1952. Okay, and once it started going above below a level of 1952, then there is a chances that it will go further down, and then we can see it will go towards $1947 to a level of 1947 and to a level of 1930. Okay, as soon as it moves below a level of 1930, then there is a higher chances that it will move further down. Okay, and once started going below 1932, then there is a higher chances of going further below a level of $1911 and to a level of 1904. Okay, 1904 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further down, and we can see a level of 18 dollars, and then from there a further low we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given them any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, and remember something, try to trade on a pattern things. Okay, suppose if you are trading with 10k dollars, try to trade with 5, take 5 trades and divide this capital into 10 to 15% of capital. Okay, and take a risk of 0.5 to 1% you can take as per you, so that will be around 50 to $100 per trade. So maximum loss you can do is maximum loss you can do is 500. So if you lose 500 also, it will not be a burden for you, you will be more relaxed. Okay, so always try to allocate. This is what I'll teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.